Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a really simple soup recipe with pork ribs and Daikon radish. In Chinese, 萝蔔排骨汤 is a very popular Chinese dish. Tastes great, especially in cold days. Yet it's very simple to make with only a few ingredients. Today, I'm using about 2 pounds of premium baby pork ribs and a big, long Daikon radish. Here are the steps. First, peel Daikon radish and cut into small chunks and set aside. Now, cut rib slabs into individual pieces and wash clean. Add enough cold or room temperature water into a big pot. Then add in cleaned ribs and some salt. Water must be cold or room temperature so blood can exit from the ribs as they are heated. Salt will help this process. Heat the pot over medium-high heat to bring water to boil. Remove foams as needed so ribs can be clean, free of blood residues. While waiting the pot water to boil, heat a second pot with enough water over high heat. I normally use filtered water since this pot will hold the real soup. 1 minute after the first pot boils, remove the ribs and transfer into the second pot, which should be hot by now. Make sure water in the second pot is at least hot, if not boiling, before you transfer ribs in. Otherwise, ribs will shrink abruptly and taste rubbery in the end. Discard the first pot as we're done with it by now. Add in ginger and sugar. I use pre-grounded fresh gingers here. Sugar should help remove the bitter taste of Daikon radish. Now, add cut Daikon radish pieces into the second pot with ribs. Bring the soup to boil over high heat. Then lower the heat to medium-low and simmer the soup for about an hour. You can cover with a lid in a way so it leaves a crack open, or use a chopstick to create such a crack so the soup can have some water escaped while simmering. Cut up some cilantro and set aside for the last step. When time's up, add salt and black pepper to taste and cook for another 2 minutes. Right before you turn off the heat, add in cilantro. Now, it's ready to serve. Let me know how you like this recipe. Thanks for watching Look Cookbook. See you next time.